9 more in-dormitory COVID-19 testing facilities will be set up this month. This comes as Singapore scales up routine testing for migrant workers to contain the virus. There are currently 24 such facilities, and some of them will offer night swabs for the workers to accommodate their work cycles. Over 35,000 migrant workers are expected to benefit from this. And there are also plans to add more screening centres in the next few months.
At this screening centre in Sembawang, 800 workers can get tested each day. It's one of the centres currently set aside for migrant workers living in dormitories and those from the construction, marine and process sectors. There are dedicated centres for others like frontline workers and those on stay-home notices. They are located across the island.
We look at the geographical spread, we look at the accessibility for those who are coming forward for swabs. We look into even the traffic situation outside the sites, making it more convenient for our workforce, for the people who are coming for the swab.
To make these accessible to workers, more in-dorm testing facilities will be set up by the end of this month. An employer who oversees 440 workers residing in Tuas View Dormitory says the opening of a facility there has helped speed up procedures.
Initially, Tuas View didn't have that swab centre. The thing is that when you are out in the various test centre, you do not know what time they complete, and we have to stop the production because we have the workers all over. So we can't even function. If all can be done in a dormitory, that will be better because they can straight away do their swab, and then we know what is the timing and we can fetch them back to the factory to work.
Dormitories have been a hotspot for COVID-19 infections, but the daily cases there have come down to single digits. This week, there are 4 to 5 daily cases in dormitories on average. The Manpower Ministry says routine testing has helped.
Currently, the swab is at 14 days, and this is based on the evidence to look into at this interval and at scale, how are we able to then pick up new cases. And this is important because being able to pick up these new cases will then allow us to act quickly to isolate and contain and prevent any outbreaks.
Employers are required to schedule their workers for routine testing or they will not be able to return to work. According to the authorities, there's still around 1,200 workers who have not been scheduled for testing.